Hi from Dubai. I have a project. I will show you how to grow a spring onion. I have an onion, I have some water, I have a small cup, and I have some cotton. First, I put the cotton in the cup. Then I pour some water. Then I put the onion and we'll wait until it grows. It's been 5 days. My onion started growing and there's a little baby sprout, and we'll see how long it takes to grow. It's been 2 weeks. I was adding water to my onion and watching it grow, and I'll show you how big it is now. Look at my spring onion now. It's grown long roots and beautiful springs. My project worked!